Okay. Hello, welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson. You're watching today's Tàijíquán Tip. And today's tip is to take advantage of the technology many of us have around us, which is to say, film yourself doing a practice. So nothing sort of free form or extemporaneous, but a drill, a warm-up, a form, something that's repeatable. Film yourself doing it and turn, what we want to do basically is arrive at a slow motion of us doing the form. So you can film in slow-mo, or you can film and then edit it into slow-mo, whatever. It doesn't have to be high quality. But the idea is that once I've done that, I take advantage of the film of myself, which I might have no volume on, and I'll practice and I'll follow with myself as the leader, right? So I'm watching myself on the screen, but I'm doing it slower than I normally do. And ideally what I'd like to do is slow motion the video enough that it's just a little slower than I can do well. If I were to do it that slowly, I'd lose my balance, I'd have excess tension, I'd get too distracted, or it would hurt too much, or whatever. So I'd like to make the slow motion just like a pace setter in a race, somebody that's doing just a little bit better than me, which urges me to find my best, right? So I'm seeing myself do a thing I know I can do. I'm watching a video of it. The way that I do it, which is probably imperfect, but it is me, right? Because of my bad hip and my sore shoulder and my arthritic knees and my my hesitant balance. I'm following myself on the camera, but I'm going much slower than normally I find myself actually able to do. So I'm using that as a slow pace setter. And as long as it's not too slow, where it's just going to kind of invite me to do something very poorly or painfully, then it can be a really helpful use of the technology that we have. So remember, Tai Chi, hurry up and do it slower. Thank you.
Here are all the ways you can help besides online reviews and subscriptions. Thank you, thank you, thank you.